Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Plug the lightning cable in if battery status is unknown so the headset has power. Find the power button on the right ear cup edge and note the tiny LED next to it. Once charged for a few minutes, you'll be ready to use the single control that powers Solo 3. Do this to avoid waiting later and to ensure the internal firmware can initialize properly when you turn it on. You press and hold the power button for about 1 second. This is the only direct way to power Solo 3 on. The LED will show a steady or pulsing light to confirm it booted. Once the LED appears, make sure to open Bluetooth on your phone right away to complete pairing. Solo 3 broadcasts immediately. You do this because the headphones need that single button action to wake their Bluetooth radio and initialize audio. To finish, confirm audio plays from your device. Adjust volume on the headset and device. If nothing happens, charge for 30 minutes and try the same press and hold again. If still unresponsive, perform a reset by holding power and volume down together for about 10 seconds until the LED flashes. This clears pairing and can restore normal startup behavior. If that fails, contact support, but always try charging and resetting first because they solve most power-on problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.